Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the operation process of the water ring pelletizing line in the factory. The water ring pelletizing line is a type of equipment used for plastic pellet production, mainly used to cool and cut the plastic melt into pellets. Here is the operation process of the water ring pelletizing line. 1. EPS Melting. EPS is fed into the extruder through the feeding system. The extruder heats the EPS to a molten state, extruding it into continuous plastic strips. Two, Extrusion Die Head. The molten EPS is formed into uniform thin strips through the extrusion die head. The design of the die head ensures that the plastic strips have a consistent diameter and shape. 3. Pelletizing System. The extruded PS plastic strips enter the pelletizing system. There are high-speed rotating knives in the pelletizing system that cut the PS plastic strips into small pellets. 4. Water ring. Cooling. The cut PS plastic pellets immediately enter the water ring cooling system. The water ring system uses circulating water to quickly cool the PS plastic pellets, preventing the PS pellets from sticking. The water is evenly distributed on the surface of the pellets. 5. Centrifugal dehydration. The cooled plastic pellets are dehydrated by a centrifuge. Centrifugal force removes the moisture on the pellets, ensuring the pellets are dry. 6. Vibration. Screening. The dehydrated pellets enter the vibration screening system. The vibrating screen grades the pellets by size, removing too large or too small pellets, ensuring consistent product quality. Through these steps, the water ring pelletizing line can efficiently process waste EPS into uniform plastic pellets, which are widely used in the field of plastic recycling and manufacturing.
For more information about EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or leave your comments below. I'll see you next video.